This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Linda Fox-Jarvis team. Welcome home. Beautiful home in sought-after Arbors community off Great Neck Road in Virginia Beach. Great floor plan with first floor master bedroom, spacious living room and kitchen and 2 large bedrooms upstairs. Lots of storage space throughout. Back patio space, perfect to enjoy the beach life. This one won't last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda Fox-Jarvis team at 757-490-1254.